Well, hello and welcome to Roadie Packing, and happy new year, happy 2024 to everyone. It's been a while since I posted anything. I think the last video I did was I did like my Dorset Devon trail. That was awesome. Yes, welcome to the channel if you're new here. If you're a returning viewer, then thank you very much for returning. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and all that malarkey. Anyway, I'm just out on a quick ride and I thought that I'd say happy new year to you all. I've hit 300 subscribers now, which I'm really happy about. I've got no like aspirations of getting to 1,000 or anything this year or anything, but it would be nice if I did, wouldn't it? I'm just out on a little ride just to burn off some of the Christmas festivities and everything, but I couldn't resist. I was passing a co-op and a nice hot chicken burger, fan blinking tastic, and I'm talking to you on my new toy, the GoPro 11. So I'm just kind of like testing it out today, so I don't know what it looks like yet. I'm going to be looking back on the footage of this. Anyway, happy new year to everyone. I will see you all throughout the year. I've got loads of stuff planned. Some of it might come to some of it might not, but we shall see. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the road. That means fully closed, just half closed. We'll see.